Well, as you can see, I have a flat tire. There's no tire shops open today, so I went and bought a plug kit. One of these. Just gonna have to give it a try. I'm not a big believer in these, but my lawn needs to be mowed. And it's mowing uneven with a low tire. So I'm gonna see if I can't fix this. First of all, we gotta air it up, see where we can find the hole. Aha! Found it. Right there. Don't know if you can see it or hear it, but it is right there. So the instructions in this says that I'm supposed to take this tool here, put it in the hole, ram it out, and then take one of these little sticky things here. Boy, they are right, they are sticky. But take one of those and stick it in this tool here. And push it in there about 2/3 of the way. And then pull this out. So they say. Let's give it a try. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and load this tool here up. Wow, this stuff is sticky. Okay, now I got to fit this into here. Well, not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Let's take a pair of pliers though and we'll pull that through. Looks about halfway. About halfway in there. Okay. Then we got some cement here. I guess you use that little point there to break the seal on it. It is cement. Okay. Let's push this in there. Ream that hole out. I'm going to keep that in there while I put this glue, as it says, on all parts of this thing here. Get it on there. Put some glue on the hole, if we can, without it blowing it. And then put that in there. Okay, that's in there. And then they say just to pull this straight out and it'll cut it. Now we have to wait a few minutes to let this kind of set up around there. Then we'll trim that off.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back. I went ahead and checked the air pressure and all the other tires. They all were pretty doggone good. Let's go ahead and air this one up. They say it takes 14. So let's check and see here. Pretty close. Now comes the test. Well, I don't see it bubbling. So now we'll just take and trim this off a little bit. Maybe not. I got the bad cutters here. Well, I can leave. It says you don't have to cut it off if you don't want to. I'm not driving this on the highway, so we'll just let that. Don't see no bubbles. Well, thanks for watching. I know there's nothing exciting on this, but I've never used a plug kit before. I've always been kind of weary of them. My dad wasn't a fan of them. He would rather take the tire off and go get it patched. But like I said, there's no tire shops open, and if I wait till tomorrow, there's no telling what they would charge. For any more on a car, they want $25 to patch a tire. I know these little tires here aren't as complicated as a car tire, but still they probably want $15, $20 maybe to patch it. And I'm not going to pay that much just to patch a little hole in a tire. So I gave these little, I don't know what you call them, these little, just a tire plug kit, I guess is what it's called. Well, that's it. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all later. See ya!